Right guys, this is the room for die-cast fixer-uppers. As you can see, it's full of stuff, but usable stuff. Some of it's going, that chair's going, that chair's going. But I've got plenty of area just for storage. I've got some storage at home and everything else. Going to make use of that. In the background there, there's a workbench. So I can actually, it's got the cutout, so I can work around it. I've got some more MDF to put on the back of it there. Bits and bobs. Like I said, loads more storage. Sewing machine's going, obviously that lot's going. It's just a matter of clearing it out, get it ready for the new year, get all my gear in here, get my Caligas stove, Caligas heater, get it warmed up, and happy days. Jackie will be happy because there'll be no cluttering the house up with all my stuff. So yeah, it's part one. Part two will be coming up as and when. So see you all soon. Ta-ra.